Hello? Test, test. Should be good. Not good? Should be good. It's on. Mic check. Mic check, mic check. Oh, loud and clear. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. Um, well, there's nothing that I'm interested here in today. Um, let's see here. Impulse entry only 1 hour. I don't like anything at this point. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, yeah, I don't know. Because we have this consolidation area right here. We got the consolidation area. At the same time, we got support. We got this resistance. So basically, we are in a 87, 88 pip range. But if you look at it more closely, so we got support. We have resistance. So like a better idea would be above 2472, because then you got clean range till 2479, 66 pip range. So I think that would be a much better idea for price to continue to push up. In this situation, I'm not interested. I don't know. I mean, if the 15-minute, let's say, okay, let me just do this one thing over here now. Okay, so if the 15-minute even breaks above this high over here, 2467, you're looking at about 29, 30 pip range here. So I'm not interested. I'm only interested in if we do break below, let's say 2462. See, you got like a 37, 40 pip range here for price to push down. A lot of volume came in yesterday, so I think this could be a pretty good target. You got like 40 pip range, so I think that's going to be better. Waiting for something like that to happen. But other than that, I'm going to be just waiting. Static noise, really? I don't hear any static noise. Yeah, should be good. I think it's only for YouTube or something. Okay, let's see here. Sell GU. What about sell? Are you going to do live regularly? I'm on TradingView. Dow theory, RSI 1 minute. What? What is RSI 1 minute? 1 minute. I'm interested in buys above 2472. Interested in buys above 2472. 72. So this is the basic definition of letting price come to you. I think yesterday I made some impulsive moves. Yesterday I wasn't really focused, so yesterday I took some dumb losses yesterday. So if you look at yesterday was just stupid. Even though I was up 5K yesterday, but it was just very, like, my trading performance yesterday is not what I usually do. So today is a new day. It's a better day. So today is a day to be even better. There was nice impulse setup earlier on today. Yeah, exactly. I think the buys we were looking at yesterday came later on, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, the buys yesterday came around NYSE open yesterday. So yeah, we just got caught in this a little bit of a consolidation. So yeah, just going to be waiting here. I think we can have very good opportunities for buys above this area, and maybe sells, interested in sells below, what's this price, 2463. 2463. These are the only two ideas I'm going to be looking at here today. These are the only two ideas I'm going to be looking at. The sales lady broke your mentality. No, it wasn't the sales lady. It was just like I don't know. So, I'm just gonna chill here, eat my banana, and just wait. You know. Oh wow, pound yen made the move here to push down. Insane. But anyway, pound yen is now still consolidating now, regardless. Got resistance, and at the same time got the support. How big is this range anyway? Oh, 32 pip range. GBP CPI move. Price came down. Now it's started to consolidate here. My biggest weakness is overtrading. How to overcome, how to control my mind. Just focus on 1 or 2 trades a day, man. That's it. That's the best way to control overtrading. That's the best way. There's no webinar on that. There's no masterclass on that. There's no book that you can read that's gonna solve your overtrading problem. It's just you just gotta very very consciously focus on things. Can you identify the session trend here? Yeah, we're just ranging. There's no session trend. We're just ranging. There's nothing. If we break below 2463, for me, the session trend is going to be bearish then, because then we can continue pushing down. If we break above 2472, within like let's say New York or whatever, then the session trend for me is going to be bullish, so we can continue to push up. I'm watching this in school. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Raja bhai, roza nahi rakha, roza kyun rakhu bhaijan? Papa ki phundru, papa ke phundru, roza kyun rakhu main? Kela khain ji, kela. I took a buy from here based on 30-minute support, 40 pip range also. Yeah, but there's a lot of problems here. That's why I wasn't interested in the buys. After you do the workout routine, you're on another level of thinking and manifestation. Your thoughts, seeing better what's right and wrong in trading is the key when you access that huge amount of money. Yes, that's true. That is absolutely true. So after my workout routine now, I'm very calm and I'm very chill. Your voice is different. So, Muhammad Roza, no. नहीं रखा रोजा मैंने. अब आप बोलेंगे मैं मुसलमान नहीं हूँ. I take a buy from here on gold based on a 30-minute support from its uptrend, and we have 40 pip range. Please tell me. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to see if we can get something below 2463. That's it. Can you share your color option on C Trader if you will? Thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna share this, and it's up to you to make screenshots. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Get ready to make some screenshots. Okay, here, make the screenshot. 3, 2, 1, boom. Make another screenshot right now. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yeah, so those are the same. I did say before, but I'll say it again. After joining MFU for 2 months, I really stopped overtrading. Beautiful. I actually feel so good now by only taking 1 to 2. Yes, that's it, man. That's it. Once you get used to the 1 to 2 trades a day, you are very calm. You're collected. You don't rush into things. You're patient. Even though when you miss the trades, it's totally fine with missing the trades, because if you miss a trade, it's totally fine. It's gonna happen over and over again. So that's the mentality we should be going towards. I'm really confused with variable zones. You talked about Monday, what's happening during pre-London. Yeah, so so send a chart on what you're confused with, and we'll take a look at that. I just went in a 30-minute previous bearish candle. Is that the right entry? I don't know. I'm looking at buys above 2472, and I'm looking at sells below 2463. What's your group? My blood group? It's O. I think it's O negative. I think so. I don't know. Pound yen is, oh wow, pound yen is now starting to move bearish over here. Take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Wow, we got this. Looks like we got this wick to fill here on pound yen. If we can close below. Looks like we got this wick to fill on pound yen if we can close below. Anyway, I just went on previous candle. Okay, watched some PERS development stuff last night, and the guy said to study people that are where you want to be. Even though I'm young, 23, I'm not about watches and parties and bitches, but rather than calm life. So you'll study what you do even outside trading. Good thing you talk about that, bro. Big thing. Thank you, AJ. Thank you. I really appreciate that. You know, that's the thing. If you like, you're 23 right now, and if you got your head in the right space, you're gonna do very well by the time you're like 30, 31, 30, 32. Because in reality, the things you do now as a 20-year-old, mid 20s, early 20s, late 20s, if you're in your 20s, the things you do now, you should be able to thank yourself later when you're in your 30s. That's the main thing, because whatever you're doing now, you're building a foundation for yourself by the time you get into your 30s. That's the one main thing I want to let everyone know. If you're in your 30s, how to add multiple charts on top on the C Trader? It's very easy. You click plus. It says add a new chart, bro. Come on. Do you trade crypto? No. After watching MFU course multiple times and take trades, is it enough or should we work on? Hello? Hey, yo, how are you, bro? Good. How are you? I'm good. Very good. What's happening? Oh, just doing a live stream. Oh, you want me to call you later or you got time? Let me call you in an hour or something. All right, sounds good. Yeah, 1 hour, 1 hour. All right, later. Okay, take care. All right. Following my trading plan, is it enough now? Or we should work on taking more courses, or is it no? This is enough. You don't have to take any more course, because now you need to put those things into practice. That's all what you got to do. You have to put those things into practice. That's it. This is a fake out. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. I just see a support formed and I'm just waiting. I don't know. You guys want to go for buys? You can go for buys, but I'm waiting for buys above 24.72. I'm waiting for buys above 24.72. That's it. How to get that move, please? Let's take a look at this. What move? What are you talking about? Please point, make an arrow somewhere. Oh, highlight how to get this move. Okay. This is on the 15-minute. Yeah, very easy. Like, if you look at this candle, as it started to broke above the high, I think that would have been the correct impulse entry, because it's a small body candle, and small body usually means that volume is dying. But when the next candle is breaking above the high, then that means the volume should continue. Yeah. So I've taken these trades in the past. I've taken these trades. I've talked about this as well. If you look at one of the webinars we've done, we've talked about this. You are welcome. Well, since we're waiting, it's time to. I took that trade, cashed that move yesterday, 10K. Oh, beautiful. Gabrielle, beautiful. All right, time to do some real gambling stuff over here now. Okay, let's see this. All right, here we are. Here we go. Log in successful. My trade win. Oh, it's a demo account. Demo account. Let's go to our real account. See, so far I'm just waiting over there. I'm waiting for price to move on gold. Let's move towards commodities, XAU USD. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Who trades the 1 minute chart? You grew this from 1K? No, I deposited some money and then I took some trades and then I made some profits. So here we go. 1 minute chart. What are we looking at? Duration 15 seconds. Let's risk $1,000. Okay, $1,000 over here. Let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame. 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. अपने रोज क्यों नहीं रखा? Let's take a look on the 1 minute here again. Can't wait for NFP Casino. Yeah, you know what? NFP, I think we should be doing it like this. NFP, we should be doing it like this. Okay. MyTradeWin.com. Betting $1,000 over here. Just waiting. I mean, if price breaks above 24.67, I think that's going to be a very good idea for price to move up. So I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to wait. Is this binary options? Yes, this is binary options. But over here, we're just waiting here now, you know, whatever. We're stuck. There's no volume. You can see pre-London brought no volume. London Open is now here, so we don't know what the hell's going on. You know, let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is stuck here as well. Pound yen actually looks good a little bit. Gold is stuck. Okay. Let's take a look at pound yen. GBP, JPY. We got to be very careful. Very careful over here. Okay, so if I risk $1,000, I'll win 1,600. I think the 1 minute is making a top wick here for price to move down. I think so. I think so. I don't feel comfortable with this. I feel more comfortable with gold, to be honest. Okay, lower. Here we go. If we stay below this area, oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. MyTradeWin.com. Beautiful. I made $600 just like that. $600 just like $600 richer. Right? How clean was that trade? How clean was that trade? Is binary? Oh man, is it real or demo? This is real. This is a real account. Look, my demo has 5,900. Real account has 12,000. This is real, buddy. I don't do that demo stuff. People working 50 hours a week to make this kind of money. Raja made it. Yeah, I made that in 16 seconds. You know, to be honest, 16 seconds. There's no balls of steel. It's just super simple. So here's the link. I'm going to give you guys the link in YouTube. Try it out. You know, try it out and see. Go again, man. I'm not okay. Hold on. Go again. Okay, let's see this here now. Are we going to continue to push down, or are we? Oh, whoa! I was about to take a buy over here. I was about to take a buy. Yeah, I can do it. I can do this. I can do this. Let's go higher. Okay, I can do this. Gold is continuing to push. Oh no. Ah. Oh. Wow. Wow. $1,200 profit. $1,200 profit just like that in 30 seconds. Who makes $1,200 in 13 seconds? Who? This is great. This is great. This is actually so sick. 13,500 now. You know, but now we got to be careful. What's your opinion about option trading? If all trading is about 50-50 chance probability, the payout 60%, Wouldn't you lose long term? No, not really. I mean, as long as you don't overtrade. As long as you don't. This is not demo, buddy. This is live. Look, my demo count has 5,900. Live has now 13,000. We're winning. Anyway, let's go back to Forex over here. See, nothing. Nothing over here. Did absolutely nothing, but made $1,200 on binary options. It's whatever. I'm waiting for price to break and close below 24.63. Ooh, wow. GJ is continuing the push here. I think we're going to continue on till 204.120. Yeah, that's my trade win. mytradewin.com. I don't know, guys. It's up to you. You want to go trade it? You can go trade it. I trade it every other day. You know, it like especially when there's high volume in the markets. I trade this super easy, super easy. Well, it's not super easy. You really gotta control yourself. You know, like I come from a gambling background. I've played poker, blackjack. I've been trading for long. You know, so I like to gamble here and there. I like to gamble. So anyway, took one sells, took buys, amazing. Okay, what's this? Hi, sir. I'm 21. I live in the US. I'm working 2 jobs and I never miss the charts and your live and never go to clubs, just grinding. You are my inspiration. Thanks for everything. Sachin, amazing, beautiful. Very, very, very nice. You know, all this hard work and all this grind will pay out one day, inshallah. Very nice. Why don't you trade GJ? Because, wow, man, look at that. Does this 15-minute candle drop down? Yeah. Once we broke the low on the GJ, continued to push down. You trust the withdrawals? Yes, I do trust the withdrawals. But yeah, gold, I'm just waiting. Maybe we're gonna have volume later on in pre-New York or whatever. You know. Hey, all you guys over there saying binary options is haram, just don't do it then. Like a lot of things you guys do is also haram. You guys talk about, like, you know, women, girls, right? You guys go to the malls and do pundi नहीं करते आप लोग, वो भी हराम है. तस्वीरें नहीं लेते एक दूसरे की, वो भी हराम है. TikTok पे you guys watch dances, that's also haram. So don't tell me what's haram, what's halal. You know, पहले अपने बगल में झांक के देखो कि आप लोग खुद क्या करते हो और फिर आप बताएं जी. हाँ, नमाजें पढ़ते हो 5 वक्त की? नहीं पढ़ते, वो भी हराम है. बातें ये नहीं आती हैं बस सबको. Kindly read my earlier comment, okay? Hi Raja, I'm 28. I have 2 businesses. I go to parties, party hard, watch you in 5 trading days. You make me earn. Awesome. I remember them lives back in the day, GJ in pre-New York with Ted and Kevin, the rest of the team. Yeah, good times, man. Those were good times. Raja, the way you say Pundi is absolutely... Okay. If we do break below 24.62, I think we can continue to push up. Time to go for another... Oh, yes, I'm here, buddy. I'm here. I'm here. गल्ला ये नहीं जी बस. आपको उर्दू भी आती है? नहीं, मैं फारसी बोल रहा था. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if we can make some more money. Let's see if we can make more money. We are pushing down now. Look at that. We are pushing down. And let's go over here. Boom. Wow, look at that. Look at that thing go. Kindly read my last comment, sir. Sir, please send your comment again. I missed it. May as well risk the 1200. Okay, let's see over here. What's the maximum I can risk? 1,000. Can I risk 2,000? Oh yeah, I can risk 2,000. 15 seconds. Oof, expected payout 3,200. Very, very enticing. Very enticing. What if I risk 5,000? 8,000 expected payout. Ah, This is wild. This is this is wild. We'll do we'll do um we'll do 1,000. We'll do 1,000. But I'm gonna wait. We'll do 1,000, but I'm gonna wait. Yeah. See, we're just waiting over here. Things here, nothing but there. I'm already up like 2,400. I'm new here. This is my first time. I joined live MFU yesterday. What is the roadmap after joining? The roadmap after joining is, let me give you the roadmap right over here after joining. You made trade today? No, I didn't make any trade today, buddy. This is the link to our community here, YouTube channel. Take a look at that. But I'm going to tell you the roadmap after joining. So when you join, this is something that you will see. Let's go to Academy. So this is something that you will see. It says start here. So you start over here, then you go over here, then you go over here, then you go over here. You know, so all these things that you have to go through. All these things you have to go through. Very important. Do you still eat boiled eggs with peanut butter in a diet? Yes. All right, let's see. But these days I'm eating 5 eggs with 1 paratha, you know. Price made a low during after NYC. Okay, perfect. Waiting for resistance to form in 30 minutes, but resistance did not form. It continued going bullish. Okay. Price crossed 244, indicator it's going to go up. Waited for resistance to form. Price may support continue to go. Okay, perfect. So you were waiting for price to create resistance. It didn't create a resistance. It continued to push up. So now you have to identify where could you have taken a buy, right? Where could you have possibly taken a buy? Maybe right over here, as this kind of broke above the high, right over here would have been a pretty good buy indication. You know, so those things that you need to identify. New candle has formed, and yeah, we're just consolidating here now. Yeah, we're just consolidating here now. I wait whole day for USD news. When USD news came positive, I took a sell. When it came negative, I took a buy on gold. Sometimes I won, sometimes I lost. What am I doing wrong? What you're doing wrong is trading the news. So stop trading the news. You need to stop trading the news. That's what you need to do, buddy. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I'm so into him a few WAP and live streams. I've started hearing Raja's voice in my dream. Guys, Raja's done for the day. He had 2 wins. He won't overtrade now, but let's see over here. What's this? Clean range. Price move down. Awesome. Is this the 30-minute? Is this is the 30-minute? Okay. So what's happening? What's happening with this 30-minute? What's going on? All right, time for another trade over here. 1,500. Let's go lower. And the reason I'm going lower is because we should make a lower wick, so it should push down. And you'll see right here. Wow. 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 How can you win 3 times in a row? Clean, concise analysis. Clean, concise analysis. You know. This is crazy. How much am I up over here? So this was a 2400 win. 2400 win. So what? 600 plus 600, 1200, 1200, 1200 plus 900. Yeah, I made $2,100. Now I'm done. I'm gonna stop over here now. I am done. I couldn't find you in Centaurus Mall yesterday. क्योंकि मैं तो गया ही नहीं. सफा गोल्ड मॉल चले गए थे हम. सफा गोल्ड मॉल चले गए थे. Sorry. But yeah, perfect. I started with 12,000. I'm at like 14,000 now. This is pure gambling, Raja Bhai. It doesn't work. Always binary trading is mostly super hard with most brokers. No, but I'm doing it in front of you right over here. I'm doing it in front of you right over here. How can this be crazy? You got withdrawals on time? Yes, you can only do withdrawals via crypto. You can deposit via crypto. You can do withdrawals via crypto. So look at this. These are the trades I took, right? These are the trades I took. Yeah, this was whatever. Yeah, these are the 1, 2, 3 trades I took over here. These 3 trades. So I made 600, 600, 1200, 1200 plus 900, 1200 plus 900. What is that? 2100. I made $2,100 today in this. Beautiful. KYC. Okay. I'll do it later. I'll do the KYC later. Look at my username, Raja Tanks. You know? Raja Tanks in the house. Anyway, perfect. This is done. My trade. It says 1600. Yeah, the payout was 1600, but I bet it. I bet $1,000 to win like 600. You should make a course about binary. No, it's yeah. Does the payout change if you change to 1 minute expiry? No, the payout remains the same. So let's say I'm here and I choose, let's say, like 1 minute. Does the payout change? Oh yeah, the payout does change. 1 minute 1700. If I do like 1 hour, the payout becomes 1850. So if you're doing 1 hour, then I think it's going to be better to kind of like trade based on the 1 hour. So I think 1 hour is going to be better. If you can have a buy and you can anticipate price to continue to push up, that's going to be better. That where the fuck did the candle go? Go to 30 minute. Oh yeah, it's still there. So yeah, I think yeah, it's going to be better that way. But I usually play it on the 15 seconds. Go again? No, I'm up $2,100. Look at this. I'm up $2,100. I'm not gonna go again. I'm up $2,100 anyway, so I'm good. If the daily if the daily start to flip, what does it mean? I don't know. Flip where? Bullish or bearish? The daily starts to flip bullish means we can go up, and then you have to look at the smaller time frames to see how will that make sense. Then if we break above 2472, I'm looking at buys for price to continue pushing up. That's all what I'm looking at. Is it trust? Man, shut the just don't do binary options if you have trust issues. Please comment on this trade I took. What did I do wrong? I don't see anything. Sir, thank you. We're missing your daily breakdown on gold, GJ, on Dominion Discord. Oh, I will start to post it again. Where can we find this binary? Here, I'm going to post the link right over here. www.mytradewin.com. Oh, there you go. Have you used pocket options? It's like MyTradeWin. Yeah, I did use it, but I like MyTradeWin better. This is what I'm talking about. Price make clean range, move down and broke levels, then it created support. Let's take a look at this over here. Price came down, broke levels, create support. Okay, awesome. So when this happened, when price broke down and create support, what you have to do is you have to send the chart again, bro. Send the chart again and remove this zone, because this zone gets removed, and now your range becomes from 2403 all the way till 2413. Then you have this 100 pip range. Then you have to remove this zone once price goes down, because then this becomes a clean range. Please don't promote scams. Please leave my stream. Raja 2472, 2472 and 2463 seems, is it tradable range for me? No. I'm interested in buys above 2472. Why didn't play long back up to the high of the range? Because there's a lot of consolidation over here. That's why. I'm waiting for clean range. You know, this is clean range here to the left hand side. That's much better. Why, sir, I live in Pakistan, and if I withdraw amount directly into banks, it didn't work, and from crypto, it is P2P, which is risky, so to suggest me any better idea, there's no other better idea. Can you explain what's up with MyTradeWin? First time seeing it. How do you trade that? MyTradeWin is basically binary options, and so just go back in my stream and watch it. You know, it's binary options. You can choose the seconds. You know, like you can go into 1 minute. It's basically you're placing a bet saying that within the next 15 seconds, price will be above or below a certain price. And if price stays above a certain price, you can see this, your payout is going to be 1600. If it's below a certain price, your payout is going to be, then you're going to lose 1000. You know, so you can increase it to whatever, you can go full margin. If I increase it to 6000, expected payout is 9600, you know, so on and so forth. Maybe use a VPN. I have issue executing the trade because of confidence. Maybe start going to the gym so you can have some muscles and you can get some confidence. Trust me. Raja, ambassador of MyTradeWin. Yes. Should I execute the trade support down there? Down there where? Down there where? Down there? Where down there? Right on the chart. So maybe, yeah, buy right over here would have made sense because you have a clean range. But down there where? Just right on the chart, man. Seriously, come on. Show us the expected payout if we risk $20. If you risk $20, expected payout is going to be $12. So, well, payout is going to be 32, so you're going to make $12 profit. What's this here? Do you go 15 seconds each time? Yes. Raja is the real top G before Tate was even a thing. Thank you. Can we retest after breakout inside zone? Continue? No. I'm waiting for price to break above 2472 or break below 2463. That's what I'm waiting for. Let's see over here. Wow, this thing is continuing to push up over here. Yeah, I'm interested in buys above 2472. Raja the Gambler, thank you. I am a very avid gambler. That's correct. I've made more money with gambling than I have while working. Okay, low volume, volume back, candle broke the low, and you took a sell over here. How did you manage risk? Yeah, I mean, you may also have had to look at the 30-minute here as well, what the 30-minute candle was saying, how the 30-minute candle was forming at that point. I think it would have been better to take a look at that as well. Yeah. Oh, it was right over here. Oh, you took a sell right over here. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Oh, look at that. The 30-minute candle also broke below. You had clean range. Looking at 15-minute. Yeah. I think that was a point where it is what it is, but also, yeah, I wouldn't have taken that trade. Let's take a look on the 1 hour candle over here. Yeah, 1 hour candle closed bullish, 1 hour candle had no wick at the bottom, the 30-minute candle closed bearish over here. I would have gone with a lower risk, but wouldn't have I wouldn't have been confident in taking that trade. I wouldn't have been confident in taking that trade right there, because it did close above this support to the left hand side. I mean, that's the only thing I can see. It closed above this support, so I wouldn't have been confident taking that trade. Maybe if this candle would have closed below support, then I could say there's a range here. But other than that, it would have been very difficult. Um, is in this scenario, since this candle is pushing a lot, even if we have the break, would you wait for retest? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how we push towards 2472, and then we're going to decide. Is there any PR status in Dubai? Do you apply one for your family? Yeah. Yes, we do. 2470 area would not have been a valid zone instead of 2472. Yeah, that's true, because there's resistance right here. So this is better because above this resistance, there's clean range. So above 2470 resistance, there's a resistance 15 pips away, but above 2472 resistance, there's a resistance 74 pips away. So that's a stronger area, which I'm going to be waiting for. Please recommend broker with low spread and low commission on NASDAQ. Go with Dominion Markets. I trade on Dominion Markets. It's our platform that we run, but this platform I made it for myself for good trading conditions, and obviously now it's made for you as well. So see right here, the spread on NASDAQ is 20 points. Very low spread, no markups. 20-point spread on NASDAQ. Gold here is pushing above 2472. The 15-minute candle has closed. So we're going to see whether we break this area or what we do in this area. Do you trade specific times? Yes. Where do you live in Islamabad? Which sector, which street, and your house number for how many days you will be in Pakistan? Yeah, right. As if I'm going to give you that information. Stupid. Please recommend me broker that have low spread, low commission. Okay. Do you know any good property investor deals? No, I don't. I don't know anyone. कराची में आप और आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है इस्लामाबाद में, इससे बेहतर है आप कराची में करें इस्लामाबाद या वहाँ कराची में करें इन्वेस्टमेंट. अगर आपने कराची में बैठ के आपने इस्लामाबाद नीड टू सेल अ न्यूली बिल्ट हाउस as market is based has taken a long time. Yes, bro. We have a house here as well. I've built 2 homes here. Very difficult to sell. मार्केट वो कहते हैं ना, मार्केट को लोड़े लगे हुए अंदर. कोई खरीदो फरोख्त नहीं हो रही. Nothing's happening so far. किसी पैसे ही नहीं है लोगों के पास देने के लिए. Chilling कर रहे हैं सारे. Anyway, should I execute the trade at support or I wait for price to create resistance? So yeah, I think since this is a 100 pip range, so you need to understand this one thing. Okay, I'm going to explain this to you, and you need to really understand this. Price moved from 24. Okay, right? So lean in front of your screen, your phone, or wherever the fuck you're watching this. Lean in front and listen. Price came down from 2413, came down all the way to 2403. Price moved down 100 pips. Okay, perfect. Now you're looking for price to retrace, to create resistance, and then push down, right? But if we move down 100 pips, don't you think the retracement could be at least 40 to 50 pips? Don't you think so? If the answer is yes, awesome. That means you're following me. If the retracement can be at least 40 to 50 pips, don't you think you can take a buy for maybe 25 to 30 pips? Buy? Does that make sense? Now, if you say, well, yeah, you're right, but if you're saying but, there's no other conversation after that. But yeah, what I had to explain, I explained it. So then it's up to you to kind of like see how many times that happens and how can you execute on that. Hope that makes sense. Sir, options आपको suit नहीं करता. You are mentor of a lot of people. Yeah, I don't care what you think, what suits me or not. Only I can care what suits me or not. And obviously my wife. Other than that, no one. Please share the link of the house. I can help sell out. There's no link of the house. अभी उसकी फिनिशिंग रहती है यार. गलती से मैंने किसी दोस्त से बनवाया घर ये, और उन्होंने, अब मैं क्या बोलूँ, पता है फिर आपको क्या होता है पाकिस्तान में कि आप दोस्तों के थ्रू अगर चीज़ें बनवाएं, आपको पता है क्या होता है. एक तो ताल्लुक ख़राब होता है, ऊपर से फिर बस क्या करें जी, क्या करें हम, क्या कर सकते हैं. No, we're doing finishing ourselves now because we built a house. We built a house. We built one house for my parents. We built it ourselves. We got it done in a year. I'm gonna post some stories on my Instagram later on. I'm gonna show you guys the house. Beautiful, beautiful house. We did it in a year. That was like about Date Canal, you know. And then this house, I gave someone to build it. This was a 10 मरले का घर था, 10 मरले का घर था. और वो घर और डेढ़ कनाल वाला घर एक ही टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुआ, स्टार्ट एट द सेम टाइम. अब दिस 10 मरला हाउस, there's still some things left in it, you know. So just imagine. So now we're gonna just, like, you know, we get the completion certificate, we're gonna tell them to take care, and then we're gonna do the finishing ourselves. Because here's the thing: if you want to do things properly, always do them yourself, because other people are not gonna move with the same wavelength. That's what I've learned. Hassan has sent a chart over here. You're looking, okay, yeah, remove this zone right over here. Oh, what the fuck is this? Took a cell? Awesome. But yeah, remove this zone right here. Took a cell after retracement, awesome. Remove this zone, just focus on this zone right here, 2472. I hear people from Pakistan and India, when they talk, it's like half English, half mixed with that language. I don't know why. Yeah, you know, like people from Pakistan, India, like that's what we do. Mixed. It's all mix. We do it mixing, shixing. Why is it difficult to deposit in Dominion? No, it's not. It's not difficult at all. You just go to dominionmarkets.com, you log in, and after you're gonna log in, you can just deposit. It's easy. Just whip out your Visa card, your MasterCard, or your, you know, crypto, and then that's it. That's it. We're good to go. It failed a couple of times, yeah. Sometimes it does that. All right, let's see. You think we can fill that wick on the 4 hour? Let's see over here. 4 hour wick fill. Yeah, for sure. I think so. I think we can fill that wick. I mean, we're breaking above this area now. You know, on the 15 minute, we're breaking above this area. It's a 20 pip stop. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. 1 hour is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. 15-minute is bullish. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close. I am going to wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. What time does volume start to dry up since it's 4 a.m.? Sometimes we have seen volume continue. We have seen volume continue. And I think it should continue as we move into this session. So I'm going to wait. I'm waiting for this candle to close. And then I'm going to be looking for an execution on the 30-minute. Like I want the next 30-minute candle to wick down and then continue to push up. We have a very clean range for price to move. So that's going to be better. How many pips are you planning to secure? 15, 20 pips. Nothing much. Yeah, it's okay. I'm just waiting for the candle to close. That's it. Just waiting for the candle to close. But. Just remove the word but from your life. Seriously. I hate this word but. Just remove this word but from your life. Seriously. You're going to be much more happier if you do it. I am just waiting here. Just waiting. All right, let's see. Okay, Rajabhai, I take one winning trade and I close, but when I lose, I take 2 trades. Well, just take 1 trade, buddy. Just take 1 trade. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. Raja, can I flip 1K to 100K just securing 20 pips with... Yeah, yes you can. Yes you can. 100% you can. Wow, we've moved about 80 pips over here. Awesome, no problem, just waiting. Waiting for the candle to close. When did you go to the gym for the first time? The first time I went to the gym was when I was 17 years old. Maybe wait for support since price. Yeah, sure. We can just wait. No problem, just waiting. We got like 3.5 minutes left for the candle to close, so just chilling, waiting. No problem. Why close 20 pips instead? I don't know. That's just how I do. In binary options, I'm not able to do graph into candles. Can you tell me how? Yeah. So what you have to do is, once you log in, you have to click this thing right. Oh, okay, log in. Yeah, you have to click this. Click this, and then choose candles from here. Wow, look at that. Were you rich before trading? I don't know. Define rich. I was very happy. I was very happy. How much you bench? Today I did 225 incline presses. I did 225 incline presses today. I did chest and triceps today. I did 225 incline press today. Whoa, look at that. Raja tanks. Ugh. Bench press 220. Yeah, incline. It's the same thing, buddy. Why are waiting? Can you explain? So next we would wait. Yeah, because I'm waiting to see how this candle will close above this area. I'm waiting to see how the candle will close. Made my first deposit on Dominion Markets. Beautiful. Well done. How many reps? Maybe 5 reps. 5 reps. I did 5 reps, 225. Do you know that out of all the people who go to the gym, only 1% can do 225? Only 1% out of all the people that go to the gym. Yeah, one in 1,000 people can bench press 225. One in 1,000 people. 225 pounds, not kgs. Oh, nice. You got this by not taking this trade. To the next member, this is the right way. Yeah, that's the right way to anticipate. Very beautiful. That's the right way to anticipate. The candle is closing in about a minute. So let's see. Let's see. Why not impulse entry, bro? I don't know. I'm just waiting. How long you train in the gym? Probably an hour. I do like weights, 45 minutes, 15 minutes. I do like some cardio. Can you integrate binary options in dominion markets? No. Market Champ is the best, guys. His analysis is too good. Thank you. Catch him later now. Okay, bye. Okay, what's your weight? It's 90 kgs. I weigh 90 kgs. What's your weight? Yeah, 90 kgs. I'm 6'1". I'm like in person, I'm a pretty big guy in person. How long are you in centimeters? I am 185 centimeters long. How long are you in centimeters? Wow, that's so hilarious, man. Raja, do you have 10K sitting on the side? Yeah, I do. Okay, here we go. 30-minute candle has closed. This 30-minute candle needs to wick down so I can take a buy so we can move up. This really has to wick down so I can take a buy. I really need this candle to wick down so I can take a buy. Otherwise, I'm not taking a buy because it just closed with little to no wick on the top. Yeah. I want it to wick down. If it's not wicking down, it's not fulfilling my entry criteria. But other than that, it's good to go till 24.79. It's very, very good to go till 24.79. But it needs to wick down first, to be honest. All right, here we go. We are trying to come down over here now. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see here. See the London chat and Discord, people getting wiser and practicing patience. Yes, I see that. I don't have Discord on this PC. I have Discord on my MacBook over here, and I can see all that over here as well. So yeah, we got to be very patient with this. I want price to wick down and then continue to push up. If it's not going to wick down, I'm not interested in that trade. I'm not interested in that buy. I'm not interested. I'm already up $2,100 today. So see here. Yeah, I need price to come down first. Wick down and then continue to push up. Are you using CTrader? Yes, I am using CTrader. The 1 hour candle has also formed. 4 hour candle is formed here. Wicking down and then continuing up would be better. If this one doesn't wick, then maybe we can get support later. Yeah, that's going to be better because, now that it's moved and it broke above this resistance, now we can remove this zone. Okay, just bear with me. We can remove this zone and now we have this zone formed. Right? That makes sense? Right here. This is what we got. We got this 90 pip range now. We got this 90 pip. आज मॉल बंद है भाईजान. आज 10 मुहर्रम है. मॉल बंद है. 10 मुहर्रम है आज. कल भी गए थे गीगा मॉल, बंद था, सफा गोल्ड मॉल चले गए फिर, सफा गोल्ड मॉल. What's your favorite session, London or NY? London is my favorite. London session is my most favorite, but yeah, I haven't gotten anything over here now. Haven't gotten nothing. Nada. There's no wick, top wick on the 1 hour candle close. That means no range to continue up, right? Yeah, that's correct. No range to continue up. What was your equity when you really were consistent, started to make profits? Over 100K in my accounts, over 100,000 for sure. Did you take any trade today? No, I didn't take any trades on CTrader, but I did take trades on my trade win over here, the binary options platform I'm using. I took some trades here. Why isn't it showing my trade history? Do I have to reset it? There are no trades. What? But anyway, I'm up. I'm up $2,000. That's all what matters. Yeah, Buddy needs to come down, make a lower wick first. My mindset is getting better when stop taking impulse entry here and there and practicing candle close, feeling more confident, and urge of taking reduce is a lot. Yes, that's true. The main thing is the urge of executing a trade should decrease in the beginning, because it's not about, here's the thing, it's not about you being in a trade just because you're watching the charts, right? So like a lot of people get stuck in this mindset of I have to be in a trade because I have my charts open. No, you don't have to be in a trade just because you got your charts open. You have to wait for that perfect candle scenario to happen, and then you need to execute. I haven't seen a perfect scenario to happen, so I haven't executed the trade. Yesterday, I made some dumbass mistakes, and today I'm not making those dumbass mistakes. I'm not. I'm waiting for that perfect scenario to happen. So maybe a support, like if price comes down, we form support and then we can move up, that's going to be better. Or if we can create some sort of an impulse entry structure here for price to move up, that's going to be better. But I haven't had anything, that would tell me, hey Raja, take a buy. But essentially I do know we are moving towards 2480 over here. And then eventually we're going to move towards 2500. Eventually we're going to move towards 2500. That's a given. $2,500 is a target. That's a given. What mistakes have you done yesterday? Just dumb trades, just dummy trades I took yesterday. Made no sense at all. Why 2,500? Honestly, I'll tell you why I think 2,500, because I have a very good friend. He told me 2,500, and I'm like, yeah, makes sense. It's a whole number. 2,500. Okay, makes sense. Let's go 2,500. That's it. I'm calling this a green day for me. This move happened with no confirmations. I got no FOMO. If a support forms in the next few hours, it's outside pre-London, London Open. I don't care about it. Calling it a day and very happy with building good habits. Amazing, AJ. Amazing. Can you tell my friend Derek not to trade meetings anymore? Derek, stop trading meetings, buddy. It's not going to do you any good. Trust me. Derek? Yeah. A new way of begging on social media, selling trading courses, promoting brokers or referral money, creating Telegram VP channels, live trading streams on YouTube. Well, US Oil King, let me break it down for you. When you're saying new way of begging on social media, people are making millions this way. What world are you living in? People are making millions this way. When you go drive your shitty ass fucking car on the road and you see McDonald's ads everywhere or you see Burger King ads everywhere, do you say that, oh, McDonald's is begging people to come eat their burgers? Or Burger King is begging people to come eat their burgers? Or do you think when you see a Head and Shoulders shampoo ad on TV, do you even think that, oh, Head and Shoulders is begging people to buy their shampoo? That's marketing. If you have an audience, of course you're going to market. How else are you going to do things? How? Tell me, Mr. US Oil King. How? Do you see Shell ads on places? And are you going to say, oh, Shell is begging people to come fill up their car at their petrol stations? Or Petrol Canada is begging people to come fill their cars at the petrol station? You know? What world are you living in, Mr. US Oil King? I know you ain't no fucking king. Man, what's wrong with you people? Such a dumb way to look at things. Seriously. So wild. Ah, yeah. I'd rather want to see a retracement, man. It is what it is. It's okay. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh wow, gold 1 hour, beautiful, very nice. Would you have been valid buy on a 1 hour? I see you taken it. Very well done. Very well done. Beautiful. I wasn't comfortable, I wasn't confident, so I just let it go, you know. Thanks, Raja. I was mixing the roasting, no problem. The yesterday stream I removed it because Don Wu got butthurt. He got butthurt and he's like, Raja, can you please make that private? I'm like, okay, no problem, bro. I'll make that private. Don't sweat it. Chill. Yeah. Wow, pound yen has made its way to that wick fill. Wow, look at that. Pound yen has made its way back to the wick fill. The trend now is bullish. Yeah, the trend is up. I want to see some sort of a retracement. I want to see that. I want to see a retracement. I'm okay with this. I just want to see some sort of a retracement happening. आपको क्या लगता है इस year gold all time? I don't know. 2500 all time high so far. I don't know. Does robot trading work on gold? No. Look at the previous polls from 2000 to 2400. It's going to replicate that move, I believe, to 2800. 2800, sure. With the way the things are going on in the world, I think 2800 is a very, very big reality. If you look at the weekly, let's take a look at the weekly here, right? Can we go? No, we can't go back till 1998. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Gold. Consolidation, boom, up. Consolidation, boom, up. Bullish. 2500 is nothing on the weekly time frame. 2500 is nothing on the weekly time. You know, since when I've been trading? I've been trading since 2016. Right here. I've seen gold at 1100s. I've seen gold at 1100s. You know, I've seen gold made dips at 1600s. Wow, we are at 2476 now. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. Stop doing what you're doing to do what work. Are you Oil King? Okay. Stop doing this and go to work, man. Oh, okay, thank you. Gold doesn't give a crap what you need to see. That's true. There is a US company who stated that gold will touch 3000. Okay, sure. 3000. Let's get it. Let's get 3000. No problem. Speak Urdu. क्या बोलूं उर्दू में? हिंदू हो क्या? What the fuck? What? Hindu ho kya? Arey bhaiya. What about this current candle on gold? It went up at the very first minute. Sometimes it's more likely to go opposite. How to deal with that? Nothing. Nothing. I wanted this candle to make a lower wick, right? I wanted this candle to make a lower wick so I could take buys, but it didn't make a lower wick. It just moved up. I'm like, oh, okay, no problem. It didn't fulfill my entry criteria, so I didn't execute. How long do you think it will take for consistent profits? Maybe like 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months, I would say, would be good. Okay, if we form support and break support for sell is good. Yes, because now we have this range. This range keeps this 100 pip range now. This range keeps getting um, bigger and bigger. So that's good. The range keeps getting bigger and bigger. So yeah, a lot of waiting involved now. Okay, let's see over here. What do we got? Where to get the Zoom link? You can't. Minor support resist for scalping. Yeah, just waiting over here. Um, Waiting for price to pull back to execute buys. That's what I'm waiting for here. I was waiting for a wick, but that wick didn't come on, so can't really execute now. What can we do, right? Nothing. Absolutely nothing that can be done now other than just to wait. When I'm in trade profit and coming to fear, I close early. What's the solution? The solution is it's not because you're fearful, because there's lack of confidence, right? And the best way to build confidence is to close maybe 90% and leave the rest running. That's what you need to do. Close 90% and leave the rest running. And you have to do that over and over again so you can build confidence in your analysis. That's the best thing you need to do. And wow, look at that over here, man. This thing just went up without creating a lower wick. Crazy. The new 15-minute candle is just pushing up here as well. This is just insane. Just continued on the momentum. Sometimes I take loss of counter trends. What should I do to overcome that problem? Stop trading counter trend trades. Stop trading counter trend trades. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. Why are you not trading the 1,000 account anymore? Because I want to buy some things. So that's why I'm trading this account now to make more money so I can buy some stuff. Wow, where is this thing headed? Raja is the best trader, but Raja just saw price move like a 43 pips over here. Wild moves. Yeah, McLaren your next? Nope, not buying any more cars. I'm done buying cars. There are a lot of better ways to spend your money than buying cars. I've I have learned that now. So yeah. Buy cars in Pakistan, we don't appreciate. That's true. Have you taken mentorship with any professional trade back then, or have you tried? No, I've just spent a lot of time. I took one course. And that course was like a $350 course. I took that course, and then that was about it. That's all what I've done. And then the rest we've just learned as we went along. Like, most of the things I've learned after taking losses, most of the things I've learned after taking, multiple trades here and there. But, like, that's how I've learned most things. Just taking losses, looking back at the chart, how could I have lowered my loss? If I've taken wins, I've looked at the chart and asked myself that, okay, if I've taken a win, how could I have taken a better entry, stuff like this. So if I'm watching this here now, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, how could I have entered the trade? And I'm looking at this and seeing that there was no way for me to enter a trade. There was no way at all, because look, we reached the resistance. I didn't know whether this candle will reject or not. Fine, no problem. This candle then closed below this resistance. I had no idea whether this candle will continue to push up or will it reject this area. No idea. So the only thing I knew that, okay, the momentum is bullish. We knew that the trend is bullish or moving up, but needed to see some sort of a confirmation. But there was no confirmation at all. So maybe if we can do a pullback, make some support, break support, so we can move down. If we can respect that support, then we can continue to push up. That's the only thing that I'm looking at here now. You missed opportunity on thousands of people of buy. That's fine. I don't really care about missed opportunities. I care about the opportunities that I do execute on. So I care very less on missed opportunities. I am I really detach myself from so-called missed opportunities. To be honest, to be very honest with you, I couldn't care less about missed opportunities, because opportunities. One thing I've learned over time is that opportunities are gonna keep on coming. There will be no shortage of opportunities. They will keep on coming every day, day after day after day. Can you? I didn't trade this setup, but can you enlighten why this setup was not a good idea? Let's take a look at this over here. 1 hour broker, the support, is it due to big down movement already happens so that we need to skip that? Yeah, we already moved 1, 2, 3 candles, so it was a good idea to kind of like um, not take this, because it already moved a lot. So it would have been tough that way. Yeah, it would have been tough that way. All right. Looks like maybe we may get that rejection happening during, you know, pre-NY or whatever, pre-NY, NY Open, something like that. I think that's going to be the time where we get some sort of rejections incoming. Yep, retracement, pullback, support formed, and then we can continue. Would you wait for 15-minute or 30-minute candle on gold to form support? Yeah, maybe like 15-minute support would be better, because we already have a huge range now. Look at this. Wherever we form that minor resistance, we have this huge range. Time to get back over here now. Time to get back to my trade win. After joining the course for 2 months and started trading, do I need to focus on live testing first rather than trading? Yes, live testing and trading at the same time. That's something that will work in your favor very, very well. No, actually, I'm not going to overtrade binary now. I've already made 2100, so I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, see, this pullback is good, because now this pullback means we can create some sort of a support. But I'm going to leave in 8 minutes here anyway, so maybe by pre-New York or something, we can get something useful to come in. Okay, got a million million in liquidity here now, which is good. Let's move another 250K. I remember in your earlier videos you explained once major resistance breaks, minor resistance will not care by volume. That is very correct. That is actually correct. Okay, a lot of waiting over here. Now we'll continue. After this 30-minute candle close, why don't you never complete a trade in live session? Because I got things to do. People don't dictate when I do the live streams. I dictate when I do the live streams, and also market does not dictate when I trade. I dictate when I trade. A lot of people are gonna, when you go to the malls or you go to the gyms or whatever, you're gonna trade because you think you see a good setup, but that's gonna hurt you in reality, because you should only be trading when you have time to trade. That's when you should be trading. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is retracing now. Gold is doing a pullback, which is good. We need this pullback. This is urgently needed, this pullback, so we can continue pushing. Continue pushing to the north. Jay has come back. Yes. Okay, let's do this. Do this. All right, let's check this out over here. This is entry after break of resistance. Buy stop executed. Okay, close when thinking it's rejecting. Oh, next time when I enter in trade with, yeah. See, you should have closed 90%, and you should have left the rest running. Never close because you're getting scared. Never close the whole thing. Okay, so one thing you want to take from this live stream is never close full when you're getting scared or you think something is happening. Never do that. Never, ever do that. Whenever you feel like that, close 90% and leave the rest running. What's your analysis on that? Nothing. Read this, buddy. Read this. Just read this. Look at this. Bilal, listen, I respect you a lot, but look at your question. Time frame is rejecting heavily. What do you mean rejecting heavily? Is it raining heavy? We've moved up heavily, so what's your analysis on that? Just read this right over. Waiting for price to pull back to execute buys. That's it. Waiting for support to form. That's it. That's all my analysis. But anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. I'll see you guys on Friday for the live stream. But if we do create some sort of a support, we could move up. If we break that support, we could push down. That's all what I'm waiting for here now for the rest of, let's say, pre-New York Open or something. But yeah, exercise extreme patience here, yeah, we'll see how we form that support. Too early to tell whether on 15-minute or a 30-minute. Way too early. But anyway, take care. I found that trading when you're bored is a disaster. Yes. Yeah, yesterday I was bored. It was a disaster. Today it was like whatever, All right, adios. Take care, everyone.